Hello friend, welcome to Takes Force YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 spring break vacations for couples that cost less than $100 per day. So let's start my video. Summary: budget friendly spring break destinations for couples can be found for less than $100 per day. From Washington DC to Panama City, these destinations offer romantic getaway on a shortering budget. Explore iconic landmark, museum and natural beauty while enjoying affordable experiences together. Spring break vacation for couples that cost less than $100 USD per day might seem like a pipe dream, yet they aren't so difficult. Travelers manage the cost of their trip. Spring break for solo travelers is a lot different from planning a couple's getaway. Individuals travelers have the benefit of staying in single room hostels or hostel, eating cheaply and relying on a shortering shoestring budget. Couples have to consider a new few more things like paying for two and upgraded experiences depending on your traveler styles. In this article, we look the some at some of the budget spring break vacations for couples that cost less $100 per day. These vacation ideas are ranked in order from most to least expensive and include destinations the visitors can likely access with a direct flight, not the destinations listed in this article don't take into account flight prices. Sync this will vary depending on where you're flying from in the US. Washington DC. Check out the capital for $91 per day. Embark on a romantic spring break getaway in Washington DC, where iconic landmarks and cherry blossom set the stage for a memorable escape. Visiting couples can explore the National Mall hand in hand, taking in the beauty of the tidal basins, blooming cherry trees. The Smithsonian Museums offers a unique look on the past, even the history of all life on Earth. All offering free admission, couples can also enjoy a budget friendly stroll thought historic Geogatron and a picnic and at Madrian Hill Park combines romance and culture of for a enhancing couples retreat. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,270. Average cost for a three course meal two people $100. Average per night budget hotel cost $119. Best couples activity for spring Washington DC Mount Monument by Moonlight Tour by Trolley $60. Montreal, Canada. Check out Canada for an affordable $86 per day. Montreal is one of a few international spring break vacation for couples that cost less than $100 per day. Couples will discover the city allure as they wander through old Montreal cobblestone streets where European charm meets North American vibrancy. Immerse yourselves in the feast-spirited atmosphere of Plateau Mont Royal, exploring quality shops and quizzy cafes. Admire the cityscape from Mount Royal Park, a budget-friendly heaven, offering breathtaking views. Dine off protein and explore Montreal rich arts scene, creating cherished moment in this bilingual and culturally rich destination. Not for a day trip venture 2 month Trambalent. For a romantic escape, weather seeking in late winter, or hiking in the spring and summer. The natural beauty creates a perfect backdrop for couples. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,171. Average cost for a three-course meals two people $88. Average per night budget hotel cost $88. Their best couple activity from Skill Spring Montreal walking a food tour with secret food tour $99 per person. San Diego, California. Stay within the US for $84 per day. A budget spring break vacation for two in San Diego. It's well worth a trip or to California. San Diego is a wonderful budget vacation spot because all the free things you can do there. Explore the historic Gaslamps Quarter, where vibrant nightlife and diverse dining await OBD. For a budget-friendly day at Balboa Park, revealing in its museums and lush gardens, seal the romantic escape with a Sunset Harbor cruise, where the skyline and Pacific waves create an unforgettable backdrop for a couple's getaway in this Southern California game. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,173. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $90. Average per night budget hotel cost $112. Best couple activity for spring Can Diego hop on hop off trolley tour $54. Phoenix, Arizona. At $83 per day, visiting this city is affordable. Phoenix, Arizona is another one of the many affordable spring break vacation for couples that cost less than $100 per day. Couples can bask in the warmth of the Serranon Desert as they hike the trails of Camelback Mountain, offering panoramic view of the city. Explore the desert botanical garden for a cactus field adventure, or take a scenic drive along South Mountain Park. Engage in budget friendly art appreciation at Roosevelt Row. Vibrant galleries as the day fades savor a romantic desert sunset atop Papago Park Hall in the Rock. Phoenix, with its desert charm and deserved attractions, set the stage for an unforgettable couples retreats. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,168. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $80. Average per night budget hotel cost $79. Best couple activity for spring morning hot air balloon flight over Phoenix $237. Cape Cod, New England. New England's next street at $80 per day. Escape to the charming shores of Cape Cod, New England for an idyllic spring break getaway. For two us a romantic couple's spring break vacation for less than $100 per day, this screen location can't be beat. Explore the Cape Cod National seashore or nature lovers haven with scenic trails and pristine landscape. Enjoy a budget-friendly seafood feast in one of the many intrigues. The area is famous for discover maritime history in Provincetown, or catch a sunset at Nauset Light Beach. Cape Cod offers a serene and picturesque backdrop for an intimate and rejuvenative couples retreat. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,121. Average cost for meal two people to $100. Average per night budget hotel cost $80. Best couple activity for spring experience a sunset on Great Iceland Trail free. Portland, Oregon. Experience Oregon's biggest city for a mere $73 per day. The Pacific Northwest offers several awesome scenic road trips, and some of them pass through Portland, Oregon. Couples can spend their time roaming the hip neighborhood like the Alberta Arts District, where street art and eclectic banquets abound. They can also immerse themselves in the city's eco-conscious spirit at Washington Park, featuring the stunning International Rose Test Garden. Embrace the quirky of Portland with a visit to Coral City of Books, or a stroll through the eccentric Hawthorne district, unwind along the Wilmette River waterfront, or savor local flavors at food carts. Portland beacons with its offbeat charm, creating a one-of-a-kind spring break for the adventurous couple. Weekly vacation cost for two people $1,016. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $95. Average per night budget hotel cost $98. Best couple activity for spring Willamette Valley wine tour with lounge $230. Not for beer loving couples, spot blends rewind craft beer scene is a most explored. Take a brewery tour together, sampling a variety of local brew and savoring the city beer culture. Savannah, Georgia. Check out the South for $66 per day. The South offers several spring break vacation for couples that cost less than $100 per day, and Savannah is one of the highlight. It also an affordable destination for families. Manager thought the well-preserved squares of the historic district where cobblestone streets lead to architectural treasures, savor the romance of Forest Park, surrounded by blooming azaleas and Victorian elegance. Travelers can also imbibe in the city's destroyed past with a riverboat cruise on the Savannah River. Explore the humanity, beautiful Brahmana cemetery, or include in sweet tea at a quaint porch-side cafe. Savannah, with its hospitality and timeless allure, provides the perfect backdrop for an enchanting couple's getaway. Weekly vacation cost for two people $927. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $65. Average per night budget hotel cost $89. Best couple activity for spring 2 hours Savannah Sunset Riverboat cruise $54. Dallas, Texas. Enjoy what Dallas has to offer for $62 per day. In the heart of the Lone Star State, Dallas, Texas is a spring break vacation idea for couples. What costs less than $100 per day? Couples can drive into the city's cos- cosmopolitan vibe at Caldi Warren Park, where food trucks and green spaces beckon. Dallas has more than a few free things for couples to enjoy. Unless your inner cowboy or cowgirl at the front worth stockyard. Travelers National Historic District, then Minder thought Badaching Bishop Arts District for unique find with its blend of urban excitement and Texan charm. Dallas creates an affordable spring break setting for the couple seeking a perfect blend of city adventures and true southern hospitality. Weekly vacation cost for two people $871. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $78. Average per night budget hotel cost $77. Best couple activity for spring historic Dallas downtown solo self-guided walking tour $8 per person. Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. A $46 per day. Vacation is only a short flight away. Beneath the Mexican sun, couples can discover the hostel enchantment of Puerto Vallarta, one of the friendliest cities in the world. For a relaxing and rewarding spring breaks retreat, visitors will enjoy strolling along the iconic Malcan, where vibrant art installation meet the Pacific rhythm waves, which is just one of the many things to do in Puerto Vallarta. Couples can also explore the romantic zone, narrow Clodis, Coldstone streets, discovering hidden caves, cafes, and beauty queues. Amidst in the tropical bliss of Los Mariotos Beach, or embark on a boat tour to the pristine Mauritius Islands. Puerto Vallarta, with its blend of cultural richness and seaside allure, craft a romantic escape for the couple seeking a taste of Mexican paradise. Weekly vacation cost for two people $838. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $42. Average per night budget hotel cost $53. Best couples activity for spring whale and dolphin watching with a biologist in Puerto Vallarta $87. Panama City, Panama, an extremely budget choice at $33 per day. Spring break vacations for couples that cost less than $100 per day aren't just confined to the US. Panama City is a great option for those couples who want an international vacation and budget friendly experience. Wander hand in hand through the historic Casco Viejo, where colonial charm meets contemporary flair. Explore the Panama Canal, which was once owned and operated by the United States. Dive into the local culture at Marquida Publico del Marisco, savoring fresh cabbage. More adventurous couples can also ascend Ancon Hill for panoramic city views or unwind on the Pacific beaches of Playa Bonita. Panama City is, with its dynamic fusion of history, awe, and modernity, offers an enhancing escape for the couple seeking tropical sophistication. Weekly vacation cost for two people $464. Average cost for a three-course meal two people $60. Average per night budget hotel cost $31. Best couple activity for spring private tour of the historic सेंटर ऑफ पनामा एंड कर्नल $80 पर पर्सन। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतने, भी मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।